I dropped my GoPro off a cliff and it still recorded everything perfectly. I was hiking, trying to get the perfect waterfall shot, and my GoPro just slipped. Watched it tumble 200 feet down and thought there goes $400. But when I climbed down, completely fine, and it captured the entire fall in stunning 5.3K resolution. I've been using the GoPro HERO12 for 3 months. Total game changer. 5.3K video gives you 91% more resolution than 4K, so when I zoom in, I see details I missed while filming. The HyperSmooth 6.0 stabilization literally won an Emmy. My footage looks professionally shot. It's waterproof to 33 feet without a case, survives everything I throw at it. And the battery lasts over 2 hours. No more missing the perfect moment. Professional cameras cost thousands and break easily. This thing is indestructible. I have used it in rain, snow, underwater, on motorcycles. It just keeps working. 27 megapixel photos, 8x slow motion, voice control. It does everything. If you're serious about capturing life's adventures without worrying about your gear failing, you need this camera. The link to Amazon is in my bio and description. Trust me, just get it. You'll thank me later when you're getting shots you never thought possible.